In this video, I will show you how to completely uninstall Adobe Reader DC from a Windows PC. This will also include a way to remove leftover files. For this, go to Search and type Control and then select Control Panel from the list. Then at the top select View by Category option, then under Program select Uninstall Program. There search for Adobe Reader. Right-click on Adobe Reader and then select Uninstall. Click on Yes to begin uninstallation. If you get this, click on Always or Just Once. This will open web page. You can just ignore that page. Wait for some time and Adobe Reader DC will get removed from Control Panel as shown here. Now let's look how to remove leftover files of Adobe Reader DC. Then navigate to following path inside Program Files x86 and then delete Acrobat Reader DC from there. You can select Folder and press Shift plus Delete and then delete the folder. Next, do the same for Acrobat Reader DC inside Program Files as well. After that, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type %APPDATA% and click on OK button. There search from Adobe folder. Inside that you will get Acrobat. You can delete that folder. If you cannot delete, then move to next steps. Press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type %LOCALAPPDATA% and click on OK button. There search for Acrobat Reader folder inside Adobe folder and then delete that folder. Now let's delete from TEMP folder as well. For this, press Windows plus R to open Run dialog box. There type %temp% and click on OK button. There search for Acrobat folder and then delete that folder. If you get Adobe folder, then you can delete that as well. In this way we can completely uninstall Adobe Reader DC on Windows PC. Hope you like this. Please like, share and subscribe for similar videos. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.